Hey guys, can you say happy birthday, Abba? Good job. Very gentle with baby. It's everybody's track. You guys say happy birthday, Abba. Are you guys like playing with the choo-choo track? Are you making a mess? Are you gonna help Mama clean it up? No. No? Messy. You like making it messy? Okay, but maybe you can help Mama clean it up. What do you have to say, Yael? Oh?